Hey guys, Alex Winkler here. I quickly want to review my last trade with EOS. It was a short. So after I woke up today and made my watch list, I had a little trade in mind that I saw right away. And EOS, like most other currencies, have been running up like crazy in the last day. And I wanted to capitalize on some of the overboughtness. And what happened was EO was getting close to a resistance line, and I wanted to make a trade or a short on basically betting that it would go down after it would hit a major support line around 5.8, which it did in the end, but here's how I traded it extremely wrong. Basically, I got a bit too aggressive after the breakout from the support line, and this is typically a trade I wouldn't do. This is a simple pennant pattern, or you could even say breakout bounce. But anyway, I got a bit aggressive here. I already opened up my short. This was looking pretty good, and then we had one last major run up. And this was quite unfortunate because usually I won't wait this long to get out, but I was on Bitfinex and I kept clicking, cancel the trade or exit the trade at market order, and I couldn't get out. There was constantly an error. I don't remember what it said. It would have been a really good thing to make live, actually, recorded live, but basically I just refreshed the page and waited till the refresh and then got out. Finally, I did get out, but the price was running up. This is a minute chart, so I had a pretty poor exit, as you can see actually in the trade documentation. Percentage-wise, it wasn't too bad, under 1%. Still had a nice little loss of $52. This could have been, basically a scratch if I got out when I wanted to around here, but completely messed that one up. And then the run up, after I make a little loss, I don't really want to get in a trade again because I'm getting, when you get a loss, you're thinking, well, you're not really thinking clearly, right? So I took a shower, and in the shower, there was a pretty nice setup, a bear flag. I don't know if I would have got in this one knowing that I just kind of messed up a trade, but this would have been the perfect entry. So here we have a nice crack of the momentum run up, and this would have been the time to get in. Actually, when I got out of the shower, the price was about here, and I was a bit depressed. I was like, oh man, this could have been a good short. I had another limit short order set up right over here, but then the price already crashed. When the price was around here, I was thinking chances are it might go back up, so I didn't chase it. And I mean, it was probably a good thing that I didn't trace it because, all in this, you could easily get faked out. But yeah, this was a pretty, I guess, clean textbook trade that I completely butchered because I got a little too aggressive in the beginning. I should have never shorted here. And if I did, or since I did, it would have been good to, try to get out a little quicker or maybe even cover here as the price didn't, drop right away. And then look in for that second entry and look for that head and shoulders pattern. I mean, this is really a perfect classic textbook head and shoulders pattern that I completely missed. So it's a bit depressing way to start the day. I mean, only down $50, so it's really not that bad. But still, this could have been easy, $200 profit right away in the morning. So I wanted to make a quick video lesson on that. Specific things to take away is, don't get too aggressive right away. Only trade the patterns that you like the best. And this is something that would have completely helped me. I mean, this is a little pennant, potentially a descending triangle pattern here. So ultimately, I mean, it was a decent entry, but I should have waited for a much better sign that there was a reversal, especially with this very, very bullish run up that we've had. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to share for now. So see you in the trading room. Ciao, ciao.